Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Welcome back. We before we start our session, today we are going to discuss about the construction and maintenance of sanitary sewer. So before we begin this topic, let us review a little bit what did we discuss last week. So last week we discussed about the pump station design. In this topic, we discuss about the force main design. So basically, the force main design here, we are talking about how to calculate the total head because the pump station is mostly we allocate the pump station uh, before the I mean we allocate the pump station in order to lift the sewage to another level. Uh, so in order to bring this sewage to another level, the we need the pipe to convey those sewage to convey the liquid to the other main, let's say. So so between the pump station and the main, that's the pipe. So this pipe is, we call it the main force main. So the pump in order to design the pump, we need the head, the total head of the pump, the total head inside the system. So in here, we our head is really based on the pipe, which is the main force, the force main. So that's why we have to uh, mean uh, we have to calculate what are the head along the pipe, as well as what are the loss, what are the head losses along the pipe. For example, along the fitting, the connect, along the connection. That's why two main equation is used. One is we call it major loss. So this is we use this in this part. Major loss mean the loss along lateral uh, the lateral pipe. So this is we use in order to calculate this head loss. We use the Hazen-William equation. Hazen-William equation. You can see from here, this is total head. Okay, total energy or total head. Then in each parameter here, you can see one of the parameter is the friction loss. This is we call it the major loss. We can use Hazen-William equation. And another loss we use, this is a minor loss, we call it minor loss. So this is like a fitting, this is the loss along the fitting, along the connection, along the valve, etc. So this is we use this equation. So these two equations are important for us, and then we will get the total head loss for designing main force main. And then after that we go to pump selection. So pump selection, we can see that this is the pump selection. So mostly in the sewage, we use the axial flow pump. Sorry, axial flow pump are not recommended. We should not use it. But instead, we should use like non-clogging radial flow pump, or we can use mixed flow volute pump, something like this. This is non-clog pump, okay, Vortec non-clog pump, or this is a mixed flow volute pump, something like this. So this is more practical. And conventional pump station. So we discuss about the conventional pump station. So in this part we discuss about uh, like a pump house. So what should be the component, and what should be component. So in the pump station, usually we have two. We have wet well and dry well. So wet well is the place that something like this. This is wet well, meaning that this is the place where the sewage will be collected, and dry well will be dry well or pump house. This is where the pump located, and then uh, they have like connection to pump the wastewater. So the criteria is set. Okay, the criteria is set, and the volume. This is the volume. So the volume inside the wet well should be sufficient for pump to operate. Okay, for pump to operate. So the capacity, required capacity or required volume should be calculated by using this equation. Then after that we have the factory assembly pump. So uh, this is known as prefab station. So it's available from the factory directly. We have like a dry pit pump station and wet pit pump station. So this is a dry pit, meaning that we have it's a similar concept of wet well and dry well. So we have a wet pit here, and this is a dry pit here, and then wet pit station. This is like one dry well, and we have submersible pump inside this. This is the magnified picture. Okay, so you can choose which system that should be convenient for the company or for yourself during the design stage. Okay, so I complete the pump station design review. So we are going to focus on the construction and maintenance of sanitary sewer in the next video. Thank you.